So we know a handful of things about what sleep does. So let's talk about them. What does sleep do? Well, it does a lot of things, but one of the things that we know is that sleep is a restorative activity, helps our brains do all sorts of things. We know that it is important for what I'll just call brain cleaning. So not only does it help us have energy for the subsequent days, but it also helps us clean out harmful proteins and plaques in our brain that later on in life might lead to things like Alzheimer's or dementia. We also know that sleeping at night